Inside, only one entry, Secret Pants. Still outside, bringing forward now, Silky Pants. Inside, all set. Ready to race, race number 2, 900 meters is the journey. Great swing, the rough and racing TriStar fast to begin, and on the outside Irish Smile, then followed by Kaiser's Check Fearless, running down on the inside Amarosa, rushing up is Wooden Ship, then Silky Pants, while Pochi is running at the tail of the field, rounding the far turn, TriStar by some 5 lengths, followed by Irish Smile, then here comes Silky Pants getting closer on the outside, now taking the second position as they pass the last 400. TriStar by some 4 lengths, Silky Pants running in second, Irish Smile down in third, rushing up on the outside, Fearless, and down the stretch they come, TriStar by some 5 lengths now, Silky Pants remains in second, and on the outside rushing up is Fearless, and nearing the finish line it's going to be TriStar, Silky Pants, Kaiser's Check, Fearless, Irish Smile.